Welcome students. Today going our trigonometric chapters in our multiple and submultiple level remaining questions in the illustrations level. Students, I hope you written our formula list 1 to 5 formula groups daily morning and evening. Then you better understood that type numericals. So now let's start our illustration number 16. Alex is given. Always you try students highest angle with lowest angle. Yes, cos 7x plus cos 5x and here sin 7x minus sin 5x. Now I think you know this table. S plus S, S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. These are every time you by heart. What is the S plus S? 2SC. S minus S, 2CS, 2CC and minus 2SS. So here I read the C plus C, this one. What is C plus C? 2 cos cos. Always write down in this form and divide it by 2. Now one time adding 7x plus 5x. One time subtracting 7x minus 5x. Yes. So upon same as S minus S, this property utilize. What is S minus S? 2CS. Very good. By 2. Adding same. 7x plus 5x. 7x minus 5x. This 2 to 1. You have to remaining cos. Look at that. 7 plus 5, 12. By 2, 6x. Here 7 minus 5. 2x by 2. It means x. Same as here students. Cos 6x. But here sin x, this cancel. And what you get cos by sin? It is a cot x, yes. And that's why it is the final, our RHS. And that is our easily ending here example number 16. Now students, example 17, which is IIT for exam level. Yes, question is there. Prove that our 19 examples. Sorry, 17. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x, and we get the answer only 10x. So here also students, I again repeat you, always take highest angle with lowest angle. Then easily get our answer. So here this highest angle, this is the lowest. So LHS sin 5x plus sin x and other is same as 2 sin 3x upon is same cos 5x minus cos x. Now students, reading out to x plus s. Yes, what is s plus s? 2sc. It is 2 sin cos and dividing by 2 as well as, yes, adding the whole thing up. 5x plus x. Here 5x minus x and remaining the data I just take out as this. Upon here c minus c. Reading that c minus c, ready table minus 2ss. So minus 2 sin. Here also students dividing by 2 as well as, and these two angles 5x plus x same 5x minus x I just take out. So what you get remaining students after that? Remaining is a 2 sin. Look at that, 5 plus 1 6 by 2. It is 3x. Here 4x by 2 2x. 2 sin 3x same upon minus 2 sin. Here also same 6 by 2 3x and here 4 by 2 2x. Now students, take out to maximum common. What is common? 2 sin 3x. Remaining are cos 2x minus 1. And here remaining are as it is 2 sin 3x but with sin 2x. So this cancel and minus I take above the upper level then they create again one of the our known formula. So I just operate the values one by one. This minus applied in the upper weight, either upper weight common taking minus 1. You get the answer 1 minus cos 2x upon minus 1 same sin 2x, minus minus gone. What is the 1 minus cos 2x? Fifth group. Yes students, in fifth group already I explained you 2 sin square x, and here sin 2x is same, but sin 2x is also known. Here 2 times write down sin, and this property I know. Our first group, yes, 2 sin x, cos x, cancel, and what is the remaining sin by cos? It is tan x. That's my RHS. And easily students, this question is done here. Yes students, here our illustrations finished and exercise our 3.3 done. But this exercise related remaining questions, I go to exercise 3 now. Yes students, between exercise 3.4 and 3.5 in the supplementary chapter, I explained after that our exercise 3. So now I let's start our exercise 3. First one, prove that. Again repeat students, this exercise 3 is a related topic to this our numericals, to our formula wise. That's why I start exercise 3. Yeah? Remaining exercise I explain you after that our exercise 3 and okay. So in exercise 3, prove that. First one. It's also very interesting questions. I hope you enjoying. 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 and cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. Now I go to first of all LHS. 2 cos, always try higher in the first, then after lowest angle. Students, 9 pi by 13, 5 by 13, and here as it is. Now reading that 2cc. You know students, what is 2cc? It is c plus c. Reverse the formula. So 2cc, it is cos plus cos, other same, 3 pi by 13 and 5 pi by 13. Now students, here one try to add the angle, but one time subtract the angle. This is a rule. So what you get finally? 10 pi by 13, 8 pi by 13 plus, here same, and here as it is 5 pi by 13. Now these are measured two angles. I convert it into two lowest angles, and then easily cutting value, and I get the value is 0. So students, I just split out these angles. Which one? This one, 10 pi by 13. So can I write down this one? Cos pi minus 3 pi by 13, because check LCM, 13 1 the 13 minus 3, it gets changed. Same as I here, second case write down, pi minus pi by 13, check 13 minus pi, it is 8. Actually these two angles are remaining there. So there are cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Now students, look here. Pi minus any angle, here pi, minus is here, second quadrant. So always CC wise, you know that cos is what? Negative. 3 pi by 13, cos is negative, 5 pi by 13, yes, and here same. 3 pi by 13 and 5 pi by 13. Finally this to 1. Your answer is easily covered to. Answer is what? 0. It's very simple. Next. Continue. Question 2. Similarly, question 2 is also students very interesting sums. Prove that in the terms of sin 3x plus sin x into sin plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x, but I am getting the answer is 0. It's very simple sum because I take now our LHS. What's my LHS? Sin 3x sin x into sin plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos. Students, here just I operate again on this legal formula. S plus S, S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. Only this operating way I finish this sum. See, S plus S, 2SC, 2CS, 2CC and minus 2SS. So what you get S plus S here, this property applied and this property is here applied. So S plus S, 2 sin cos, but angle divided by 2. Both angle addition 3x plus x, both angle subtraction 3x minus x, and these are same sin x. Same as here too, c minus c. Similarly apply only c minus c minus 2ss. Both angle divided by 2, 3x plus x by 2 and 3x minus x by 2 and into, students, these are same as because a given. Now 2 sin 4 by 2, 2x, 2x by 2 it is cos x and sin x same. These are as is. Similar here, what you get? Minus 2 sin 3 and 1 4, 4 by 2, yes it is 2. Similarly, sin here x and cos x, check. These all are same. Yes, only minus carry outside. This 0, and that's my easily create the right side answer. It is will be 0. Only this plus and minus. Students, I subtract them. And property utilize this table S plus S, S minus S, C plus C and C minus C. Next, continue slowly. I am going to question number 3. Third also very interesting numericals. I hope you enjoy here in the question number 3. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square sin x minus sin y whole square, but answer getting 4 times cos square x plus y by 2. Here also students same applying. These are LHS. Only I using cos x plus cos y this square and sin x minus sin y this square. Look at that, c plus c, it is this property applied. S minus s is this property applied. Formula you write down now. So what is c plus c? 2cc whole square same and both angle divide same. Here adding the angles x plus y in second bracket, subtract the angle. Same as s minus s. Look at that. What is s minus s? 2cs. 2 cos sin and whole square is as it is. Now internal again x plus y by 2, x minus y by 2. Now taking common 2 square is 4 common, also cos square x plus y common. And what is the remaining, students? Cos square x minus y by 2. and sin square x minus y by 2. But that will be 1. Yes. These are totally 1. So 4 into cos square x plus y by 2 into 1, because this is the identity. You know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And that's my RHS. Yes, students. Here you getting easily our question 3 solutions. Now fourth also same is and total ditto copy sum. Only one sign is changed. Fourth one. Prove that in the same level cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square, and answer getting 4 times sin square x minus y by 2. Yes, students, here also same property utilized. So one more time I write down the property for you. S plus S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. You necessarily write down one time. So S plus S, 2SC, 2CS, 2CC and minus 2SS. Now you operate your LHS. Our LHS is as it is I printed according to my questions. Now students, C minus C, it means this. S minus S, it means this. Yes. And start the process. C minus C, what is C minus C? Minus 2 sin whole square, it is nothing to worry. Here x plus y by 2, x minus y by 2. Same as, students, just revise to S minus S. It is 2CS. 2 cos sine and whole square is this. Yes. X plus y by 2 and x minus y by 2. Now, minus square, it is positive. 2 square, 2 square. It means 4 common. Other also common. Look, sin square x minus y by 2 your answer. This and these are common. So I just take out. Remaining are sin square x plus y by 2 cos square x plus y by 2. And that is I know. Yes, how much? It is 1. So 4 into sin square x minus y by 2 into 1. That is my identity and that's my answer. This is your RHS. Yes, students, this is happily done. Our this question number 4 and these are 3 easily ending here. Now students, after that ending this 3 and 4 parallel sums, I go to next one. Question number 5. Yes, this also same pattern sums. 5th questions. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x. Answer getting 4 times cos x, cos 2x and sin 4x. Here also students I recommend for you always taking highest angle with the lowest angle. Then you get easily solutions. So I taking this highest with this lowest for best calculations. So LHS sin 7x with sin x plus other also same sin 5x plus sin 3x. Now reading about s plus s 2sc. This is s plus s 2sc. My answer is 2 sin cos divided by 2 sure and both angle addition Here subtractions. Same applications. Here s plus s, same property. 2SC and angle dividing by 2 sure, both addition forming and both in subtraction forming of the angles. So what you get remaining students? 2 sine 7 over 8 by 2, it is 4x. Cos 6 by 2 is 3x. Similarly, here also 5 and 3 8 by 2, 4x, and here by x. Because 5 minus 3 2 by 2 only x. Now these are common taking. So after common taking, what's the remaining? Cos 3x plus cos x. Again check, these two are known. Cos plus cos, it is 2cc. So 2 sin 4x, same as c plus c, 2cc. And same application students, by 2, you similarly apply there and get the values. 3x plus x, and here 3x minus x. Now finally I did this sum. 2 to the 4 sin 4x, here cos 4x by 2, here 3x by 2 x by x means x. Check, your RHS is done here. Only rearrange. 4 cos x, cos 2x, sin 4x, and that's my RHS. Yes, students, these are happily done. Question number 5. Now I am going to say is our sixth sum. Yes, students, sixth sum is the most IMP sum, exam level sum. That type question asking in the examiner. So I am moving ahead. Sixth one. Question 6 IMP, very most. Sin 7x plus 5x, same as sin 9x plus sin 3x upon cos 7x cos 5x and cos 9x plus cos 3x, and answer getting only and only tan 6x. Yes, students, 7 5 9 3, 7 5 9 3. Okay, only operating the rule that our this property, one more time I show for you. Yes, s plus s, 2cs, 2cc, and minus 2ss. Only property first utilize and the third utilize. So in the LHS, sin 7 plus sin 5x, sin 9x plus sin 3x upon cos 7x cos 5x plus cos 9x cos 3x. Now s plus s, this are ready. What is s plus s? 2sc. Yes, 2 sin cos. Necessary you know, dividing by 2, adding the both angles and subtract the both angles. Same as here, 2sc. Students, same you dividing by 2 and both of the angles additions, 9x plus 3x, and here 9x minus 3x. Division are same. C plus C. What is C plus C? 2cc. Dividing by 2, same. Adding that 7x plus 5x, 7x minus 5x, and same as C plus C, 2cc. Similarly apply both angle divided by 2. So 9x plus 3x, 9x minus 3x. Now students, you just forward it like terms, divisions and form. So what you get first? 12 by 2, 6x. Here 2 by 2 cos x. Same 2 sin 6x cos 9 minus 3 6 by 2 means 3x. Correct, no? 6 by 2, it is here 6. Same here, say 2 cos 6x cos x plus 2 cos 6x, here cos 3x. Now students, this is a maximum common in your denominator and numerator. Only you check out the common outside 2 sin 6x. You have to remain cos x plus cos 3x. Same as here also 2 cos 6x common students. Cos x plus cos 3x. I am sure this will cancel. This also cancel. And what is the remaining? Sin 6x by cos 6x, and that I know. It is a tan 6x. Yes. And that's the RHS. I hope you understood this very well, but this table necessary you write down in exam also students. Now continue. Question 7. Seven also very easy in the same pattern. Students, this is the same pattern numerical. That's why I start exercise 3. Yeah? Other exercise I explain you after our exercise 3. Now, question 7. Prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 times sin x cos x by 2 and cos 3x by 2. Yes, here also same applications. And one more time repeat it, students. Highest angle with the taking lowest angle. So this is your highest with this lowest. So LHS sin 3x minus sin x. Always a higher angle with lower angle and other are same. Now reading out this x minus x, it is this one. Already known you 2cs. Yes, 2 cos sine by 2c. Yes, adding the both 3x plus x. Subtract the both 3x minus x and other as it is I doing. So what you get lastly? Yes, lastly getting 2 cos 2x sin x, because 3x minus x is 2x by 2, only sin x plus, you know, this is identity. Our first group, first formula, 2 sin x cos x. Now, students, these are common, 2 sin x. So remaining are 2 sin x, we have 2 common. I have to remaining cos 2x plus cos x. Yes, students, cos 2x plus cos x remaining. And this again you calculate. C plus C according to known 2cc. So 2 sin x in. What is C plus C? 2cc. Yes. By 2 same. And adding the angle 2x plus x. Subtract the angle 2x minus x. I hope our numerical is done. Very good. So 4 sin x cos 3x by 2. This is 3x by 2. And here only cos x by 2. And that's my final RHS. Yes, students, these numericals are happily done. In this question number 7. I one more time repeat you. This table you necessarily write down in that type question every time, students. Yes. Students, further questions for this exercise? Question number 8, 9, 10. Yes, students, this question I explain in the next part. And over these parts here, further explanations, students, related, I explain in the next part. But I again repeat you daily write down morning and evening all formula list one time. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.